Hi guys, welcome to
Juicing and Smoothie time.
Okay, today we have got we're doing a smoothie. Who are we going to dedicate this
We're
smoothie
dedicating this smoothie to Draco from It's Funneh's crew.
Okay, what do It's Funny's crew do? We maybe mentioned it before, but what do they do? Go on.
They make funny videos, they make Roblox videos, they're gamers technically.
Okay, cool. Now, this is, we're basically doing our own take on a Jason Vale smoothie, and it's called, let's see what it's called. It's called a Kiwi, Kale, Cucumber Cooler. But we're going to rename it. What should we rename it? I think it's like, should we call it the green one?
No.
No? What should we call it?
We don't think about that yet.
You
know what?
The Draco Special.
Sure.
Okay, cool. Nice and simple. We need one kiwi that is being sort of, the skin all being sort of cut. So this is all in bits and pieces. Okay. So make sure that all the brown bits, there's none of those, and chopped in half. Okay, if you have the brown bit, it's going to taste...
Have you tried it before? That's how you know.
Yeah, okay. 2.5 inches of cucumber. Now, we've basically taken the green bits off and we've cut them into pieces.
The skin.
Yep, that's it, the skin. A small banana. I'm going to be using frozen bananas because I've run out. And a handful of
spinach. It's even in the name of the one that the person made.
It's actually kale. Okay, kale. And then we've got 250 millilitres of, what's this? Okay, what water does it look like? Well, it's, what do you think?
Coconut water?
Coconut water, 250. So,
I guessed.
Let's pour everything in. I'm going to pour you're going to pour the water. Oh, let me pour the water in and then you pour everything else in.
So we put the water in. We put in the cucumbers. Oh yes, kale first.
I'm putting in the kale. Quick.
Okay. I'll do the rest.
Alright, let's see who's going to finish.
Competition. Maybe have some dramatic music. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, good. The last bits of the kiwi.
They're so slimy.
So slimy. Okay. So, you want to do the countdown? Let me just...
Oh yeah. You have to do up to 15 seconds. We're doing a 3-second countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
it's going to taste so...
The only thing that I like in there was the cucumbers.
The cucumber. Maybe one day we will do a special cucumber one. I'm going to try it.
I'm going to see how kale tastes for the first time actually.
Okay.
I'm eating like the stem bit there.
I think it tastes nice. Tastes nice, and I could taste like the nice banana-y bits as well. So this one's for you, Draco, and let us know what you think. What should people do?
Just saying the kale tastes terrible for me.
Okay, so what should people do? What should they do?
Like, subscribe, share if you think anyone would like these smoothies.
Oh, we've got a goal, right? Our goal is 10 subscribers.
Yeah.
So help us reach 10.
It sounds very small, but it's because we just started.
Cool. So they should like, subscribe, anything else, share. And
oh yeah, hit the notification bell so you know when we post a video.
Brilliant. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.